making my cover for the December Do You Want to Build a Journal challenge. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here working on the cover for my December Do You Want to Build a Journal journal for the December challenge. And I have this awesome fabric that was gifted to me, and I have added my the bandage tape to reinforce it, and then I have added a spine because I do want to add 2 signatures to this. And the thing is when she saw my journal, she liked the soft covers, so so I'm just sitting here playing with the edge, trying to get it to make sure that it's gonna fold and hold, fold and hold, fold and hold. Okay, then I need to pick a mermaid for my cover. I really think she's the only one that fits really well. She's, you know, she fits, but her pretty thing here goes off the side. I don't know that, I mean, she is a mermaid, but I don't know that she says mermaid. And she's same thing with her hair and all the stuff. She goes off the side. So I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to go ahead and stick it down carefully. And I am going to take it and sew around it. And I'm going to put that over there. So this will be one of my embellishments right here on the cover. Okay. So rather than just sticking it down, I'm going to go ahead and sew around that. And while I'm at the sewing machine, we'll keep playing with this, making this happen. I am going to take my wallpaper and I am going to sew, I marked one of these. Oh. I am going to sew a pocket on the inside here. Okay, so I can use one of my cardstock pieces from the embellishments. So so I can do that, and I kind of like the pink. I mean, it's like just do it. Just do it. So we'll use this pink, and I'm going to cut it right here. I have a mark. I don't know what it's from. You know what? I'm going to go just a little bit bigger because I want one of the long triangle pockets. Is what I'm going to use. And so I'm going to come... So I marked it with my finger, and then I'm going to come down and there we go. And that'll give me another one to use somewhere else in the journal. Okay, so that gives me a front pocket, and I think we'll just cut this back. We'll cut this piece off and have that be, the back pocket, and that'll be done. Okay, so put this here for the front pocket, and then this will go back here for the back pocket. There it is. So we'll go back pocket here. And fold here, pocket here. Okay, so let's go ahead and score this for the fold. Scoring, not cutting. Oh, look at, I put it down so that it went onto the sticky. Okay. We're going to score it, not cut it. We're going to score it, not cut it. We're going to score it. Okay, so let's put our cutter way up there. Let's score it. Okay. I'm going to fold it this way and then fold it the other way, because I can see it this way. For some reason I couldn't see it the other way. Okay, there we go. And what do we think? Okay, so we have our double-sided tape, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this to attach my wallpaper. Okay, so you got to make sure it's down. So press it down and then pick it up. Okay. There we go. And we'll go ahead and attach it here. Oh, let's like set it the right direction. Right up to the edge of our cardboard. Oh, we need to come down to the bottom and up to the edge of our cardboard. So we're good on that side. Okay, so that gives us that. Woohoo! I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Okay. She sure looks cool. Okay, I'm going to go sew her on. I'm going to sew the pockets on, and then we'll tape them down. I guess I probably should have waited on that, but I'm really kind of, I'm hoping this is working. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and I've sewn her on the front, and I just did it real slow and easy, and it worked really well. And look at, even her outline is really cool, but we're not going to see it. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and tape down we go to the edge over here. See if I can get it to stay down so that I can, yep, there we go. Okay, now reach that out, and then make sure that it's really a trip how this happens, that it's fine when it's laying down, but when you pick it up, you get a bubble. looking for a little tape. Red tape. This should work. I just want one that'll hold it so that when I'm sewing, it doesn't move. Okay, I think we'll come down here like this. Okay. Then on this side, see now if we'll try this way. This way you'll know for yours which way. Make sure that we go. Okay. So I'm putting it on the wallpaper side. And I'm going to bring our fabric cover to the wallpaper. Okay. Don't like that either. So maybe halfway. Oh well, we're going to sew it down. And let's see, we need this pocket. We'll make sure our shells are going up. I'm going to put it on the bottom because I figure you need less room on the bottom than you do. Okay. So we'll make it so that we see a little bit of the blue. And there we go. Okay, well, I'm going to go sew this. Oh, wish me luck. Okay, I'm back, and I was able to get the pockets in, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm trimming off the edges. And trimming off this here. Okay. Okay. So there is our cover. And I do still need to add the other 4 embellishments to the cover. But I am going to do that at another time because I want to kind of play with the items that we have. But I do have my cover ready, so I really like it. I think it's really turned out kind of cool. Let's see. So I believe this fabric came from Joyce, and oh my gosh, it's perfect for this. So there, I love it, love it, love it. So this is my cover or my hat for the December Do You Want to Build a Journal challenge. We have 2 pockets in our cover. I made it using fabric and wallpaper. I added the pockets. That is part of the embellishment part of the journal, or part of the body. You're like going, what in the heck is she talking about? And we have a recipe for the journal that we're making. So this is my hat, which is a cover made out of either cardstock, wallpaper, fabric, or you could use a book. You needed to use 2 items and then 5 collaged items on the front. So we have her. She is 1. The one other thing that I'm going to do real quick is I know that I want to add one of my eyelets. So before I forget, I'm going to use my crocodile, which is one of the tools that you are allowed to use. And I am going to cut my hole right up here. Try and center it. There we go. You know what? While we're doing it, I should cut the second hole for the insert that I'm going to make at the very end. It'll be after I make this journal. I'm going to put an insert in here that is just drawing papers, because the person that I'm making this for, she loves to draw. So I want her to have the other stuff too, but I want it to be something that she will use and will love. So I'm going to add the drawing part in with a rubber band so that she can put it in and take it out, and I'll probably make her a couple of them so that she'll have them extra. So that is my cover so far. I need to kind of look and see what I've got here. I don't want to just jump in here and not... I want to check my rubber stamps, see if there's a saying that will be good for this, that kind of thing. So it's okay to get your cover ready so that you can do the second part and come back and add your collaging. Okay? So I hope you've enjoyed this. I'll put a couple of cover videos in the description box below, the links to them. Find something to celebrate every day. The information for this challenge is in the description box below. We'd love to have you join us. You have until December 31st to finish your Do You Want to Make a Journal journal for the challenge. I hope this was different. I haven't ever done one like this. I'm pretty happy with it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.